Not nearly as bad. Wow. Not nearly as bad, Keenan. That was always really bad. So let's get this taken care of here. Yeah. 05T5C6. Okay, let's get you set up here. Breathe out. Let your shoulders kind of drop. That's good. Breathe out.
When I could hear that speaker, I almost cried at your front desk. Because it's the only thing, it's the closest I've ever had to a magic pill. I don't believe in magic pills. I believe in working for it, but it was that quick. It was surprising to me. Like, you know, when we originally talked, I didn't come here for me. I came here to get my mom to let my dad come.
Yeah, I remember that.
So when the improvement for me was so drastic, it was very surprising. And I'm very, very pleased. Thank you.